Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Princess the Artist here. So today, as you can see, my video is going to be all about lips today. So with the different looks that I will be creating today, it's also going to be more of a show and teach to show you that you could do many different colors in many different ways. Not only just using lipsticks, glosses, and liners, but you can also use eyeshadows. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And also a side note, I want to just go ahead and say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me through my whole journey on YouTube. Thank you so much. It is well appreciated, and just know it just means the world to me. And also, I just want to say everybody stay blessed on this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so my first lip combo that I'm actually going to be doing is working with these three products here. So it's going to be Chestnut Lip Liner. This one's from MAC. Also, I'm going to be using Painterly Paint Pot. This is an eyeshadow primer from MAC. And then also this is a Fenty gloss that I'll be also using on top of the Chestnut Lip Liner and also the eye primer. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is put on the lip liner first. So using the lip liner, I'm actually going to be filling in majority of my lip with the liner, and it can be any color that you want to use, but I'm going to use a brown. And I'm just going to outline my lip. Okay. Okay. And also you want to make sure that you're rubbing your lips together too as you are applying the lip liner. So it just blends into your lip, okay? So remember, all you're doing is following your natural lip line, okay? Top and also bottom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the Paint Pot primer just in the middle, top and bottom, okay? Okay, so now I'm actually going to use the Painterly Paint Pot. We're actually going to put this on the top of our lip and also at the bottom of our lip, okay? Okay, so now I have my flat eyeshadow brush that I'm actually going to be using to apply the eye primer on my lip. It has already a little bit of the eye primer on, so we're just going to go ahead into the lip. So I'm just smoothing this onto my bottom lip, and it's okay if it goes onto the liner part. That's perfectly fine because you want everything to blend anyway. Same way at the top, you just want to smooth it out, okay? So you can really go one or two ways with this look before we add on the third product. You can either stick with this look, which is really pretty. It gives you something really matte and it's not sticky, you know? So, or you can actually go in with the third product, which is gonna be your lip gloss, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the gloss on just in case if you just want that shine all over the lip to really give it some pop, okay? Remember, this is actually going to be a really, really neutral lip. This is more of an everyday look, don't matter where you're going. So you can use a lot of gloss or you can use very little, just depending on, you know, your taste or whatever look that you're going for, okay? So I'm just going to apply this all over because I like a lot of gloss. So I'm going to put a lot. But I start off with a really thin amount when I apply gloss. I mean, I really like this color. This is really pretty. Okay, so now it's time for the next lip. Okay, so now we're gonna be working on our second lip combo, which is gonna be these 3 items. So I'm still doing Chestnut lip liner from MAC. So I thought I would add 2 other colors from MAC. So this one is gonna be our lip gloss from MAC, and this one is going to be a liquid lipstick. This combo is really going to be more brightened, so it's going to be really, really pretty. And also, to be honest with you, it's just going to be perfect for Easter that's coming up, and also spring. Okay, go ahead and do your lip liner first. It's going to be a little bit more easier this way. Okay. Now that your lip liner is on, the same exact way we put it on the first time. So now we're gonna go in with the liquid lipstick, which is the orange. And now I'm just gonna apply it like right on the bottom of my lid. And I just kind of blend my lips together. This is what the lip looks like with an orange. So I only just have the liquid lipstick on, and also I have the lip liner in Chestnut. Now the name of the lipstick is called Rich and Restless, okay? So the next step I'm actually gonna do is add the gloss. So this gloss is a peachy color, so it's not so pigmented like the liquid lipstick is, but that's okay. You can apply this on, but just know it is optional, okay? So I'm gonna just apply just a little bit, not too much. And as you can actually see on the lip here, the gloss actually not only gave it some shine, but it actually really brought out the pigmentation of the liquid lipstick, which is really pretty, and especially if this is the look that you're actually going for. Now it's time for our third look. So our third look is actually going to be pertaining these 2 colors here. These are liquid lipsticks from MAC. We're going to have a pretty plum purple, and then also we have a really, like, this is more like a, I would say almost like a fuchsia pink, but it's really pretty. So we're actually going to put these 2 together. So I'm actually not going to do a lip liner this time. I'm actually just going to use the purple as a lip liner, and I'm also going to use the pink as, of course, the lipstick in the middle. So this will be another ombre look that you can try. So I'm actually just going to take the tip of this one and I'm going to use it as a liner, okay? We're gonna pretty much shade in a little bit more of the purple into the lip, but we're gonna kind of let it dry a little bit before we actually move our lips together for it to fade into the center of the lip. Okay, so now that the purple is on, so now it's kind of dry a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just rub my lips together so it actually fades in the center. So just a little bit. Not too much. Okay, so it kind of fades a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with the pink. So I'm just applying it just like right in that center. And then sometimes what I do is I take a brush and I just rub in those edges together, which will be the purple and the pink together. So I'm just kind of going like in a light back and forth motion, okay? Or you can kind of press it into your lip, either way. Okay, so now we're ready for our next colors. So for our next lip combo, I'm still going to be using Chestnut lip liner, but this time I'm actually going to be using an eyeshadow this time. This one is from the James Charles palette, so I'm actually going to be using this nice pretty yellow here, and then this color is actually going to be going in the center of my lip. So it's the same way how we actually applied the Chestnut liner at the beginning, okay? So I'm going back in with Painterly, and I'm going to put this on the center of my lip. So I'm smoothing the Painterly back onto my lip. So I'm actually picking up a really thin layer of the yellow that's in the James Charles palette, and I'm actually just going to press it all over my lip. So the more that you actually press onto your lip with the eyeshadow, the more it'll naturally start to blend in. But remember, you want to just only press it, okay? Okay, so for our final look for the lip, I'm actually going to do something really different and really pretty. So it's actually going to be a blue liquid lipstick. It's kind of like a blue-green liquid lipstick. It's actually really cool and like more futuristic type, but I will be mixing it with an eyeshadow. So keep watching. So I've already applied the lip primer Painterly like I did before on the previous lip demos. So I went ahead and I put it right in the center of my lip where I'm actually going to apply the eyeshadow. Now, you can leave it just like this because the cool thing about it is with the Painterly paint pot, when you put it in the center of a blue like this that's so rich and vibrant and you rub your lips together, it already kind of gives you that baby blue effect, which is really pretty. So you can actually leave the look like this. Or we could just go ahead and add an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the eyeshadow anyway. So I went ahead and switched my color to this baby blue here because the darker one was a little bit too dark. So I went ahead and used this one. And just like that, you just want to press or move back and forth, but I'm just going to press the top lip. Okay, and that is the very last look. It is very futuristic. I want to say out of all my looks, I will say that this one and the first one will be by far my very favorite ones that I did for you guys on this video today. This is absolutely just beautiful, so I just might go ahead and wear this look for a little while today. But yes, this is the final look of the show and teach of how these looks actually came together. Okay, I really hope this actually helped you guys on wanting how to learn to do different looks on the lips. You know, just be fun with the colors that you use. I'm really so glad that you guys enjoyed my video. I'm just feeling this look, girl. This is just cute. But yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoy you guys. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.